Hello, Christy Sub here. This is simply how to use other AI tools in creating videos for your content. AI tools apart from Grok. In this video, we'll be talking about how to use QwenChat. So dive in, let's get into this. If this is your first time coming across our page or channel, don't forget to like, share, give us a nice comment, and subscribe or follow for more videos like this. So let's dig into this. Thank you.
So whatever you want us to talk about teaching you on this channel, kindly let us know via the comment section. So let's go and see how to use QwenChat. Sign up with the QwenChat. You'll be asked to download the app or you access it via the site. So if you want to access it via the site, you go to your browser, Chrome browser, or any other browser you prefer. You simply search chat.qwen.ai. So once you search for this, you are good to go. So when you use QwenChat in creating videos, where they are asking how can I help you, where you have this plus icon, you tap on it. So when you tap on the plus icon, you don't want to use these icons here. You can just come down and click on create video. So let's create video. Always remember to change the aspect ratio of your video. To change it here, when you have the aspect ratio icon, you tap on it, then you choose 9:16. So to upload your image, you simply tap on this image icon to upload your image. To upload the video, you tap on this. To snap a picture, you tap on this. Once you tap on this plus icon, you'll be asked to bring in your image. So let's bring in our image. Photos and videos. The image I want to use already. So I want to use this image. So it will be uploaded. Wait for it to upload. Then you describe your video. We have succeeded in uploading our image on QwenChat, and this is it. So now making sure your prompt or your dialogue is very short and simple. So this is my dialogue. After inputting your prompt, you send it using this icon. So once you click on it to send it, you wait for your video to be created. You can see it's counting 3%. If you are using QwenChat, it will only give you a 5 seconds video. So that is what QwenChat does. So we are still waiting for a video to be created. Our video is ready on QwenChat. This is it here. So let's play it and hear what it's saying. You tap on it, you play it.
You really believe say Jesus died come rise again? That thing no sound real, I beg.
So you can see this is what it gave me. So to download your video from QwenChat, you simply tap on it and you tap on the download icon below your screen. Click on download again and it will be downloaded to your device. So this is simply how to use QwenChat in creating any video of your choice. Thank you very much. Let's go on to the next tool.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your nice comment, like, share, follow, or subscribe for more videos like this.